Hi all, welcome to Vision Board community. So today I'm inviting to Mayur. So basically, coming into the Mayur, I'm just telling you about from my experience. So initial days onwards, Mayur was putting a lot of effort, learning hard. So that was the reason now almost 200%, 200 percentage hike he got from the previous role to the data engineer. So Mayur, I just want your update. How many hours you put? Like an near to 11 years you like and you put lot of effort, right? 11, sorry, not
Mhm.
11 years, 11 months without a job, you are making a transition. And finally for this kind of a ship these thing you will get some relaxation now. So what how the transition was, how the journey was now looks like.
Actually, Devi, first of all, thank you for inviting me to share
Yeah.
the experience with Vision Board community. So, actually, guys, I would like to share my journey with the Vision Board community.
Yeah.
So, how it helped me to transfer my career. So, guys, before joining the course, I was working in an L2 support, like production support role in my previous
Okay.
organization. So I
Mm-hmm.
have like overall 4 years of IT experience.
Mm.
But I knew that time ki I want to switch in data engineering field. But what
Okay.
happened from last 10 to 11 months, I was working continuously night shifts. So
Mm.
because of that, affecting my health and overall work-life balance. So
Mm.
that's the reason I took a decision to like without offer, like I resigned from my previous organization, and that was my you can say mistake.
I think
So,
that is one of the good decision you took.
so after that, I knew that as I said before, ki I want to move into the data engineering field. So that time I was doing self study and preparing on my own 1.5 months. But however, like I did not have clear the roadmap or you can say direction. Then I was often confused about what to learn next and how to make the transition. Then
Mm.
that time, one of my friend Chetan Nikam, who had already like successfully transitioned through Vision Board community. So I discussed with him and then I decided to join Vision Board community. And that
Mhm.
decision changed my like whole career, you can say. Like because Vision Board provided me with a structured learning. Because as I said before, I started learning on my own, but I often confuse like what to learn and how to make the transition. But when I joined Vision Board, approx I remember 20th of February, I joined Vision Board community,
Yeah.
and within 2 months, uh, I achieved the I received the offer letter, and that first offer letter, you are not imagine like 2%, 200% hike
Yes.
salary hike I got. Like previous, my package is 4.13.
That was underpaid actually,
Yeah,
completely underpaid. 4 years.
and which I never imagined it would like
Mm.
happen so quickly within 2 months.
Yes.
Okay, and these all credits like goes to the Vision Board community and especially Devi ma'am because
Thanks, Mayur, because when you're sharing this update, right, we are also really happy as a mentor because now you are sharing your happiness, right? So that is also because when Cheran was tell the same thing to the women, so we think, okay, Mayur needs some help, extra help. So that's why we are asking to Mayur, just you can prepare with the batch, old batch recording, attending the
yeah,
parallel classes also. I think you put lot of effort. That is the reason within 2 months you can able to crack the interviews.
yeah,
When
I
ah,
have like lots of spare time, so on a daily basis I spend 4 to like 5 hours on daily basis because
Yeah, yeah. When I'm
before
asking to
join
the people,
before
everyone.
join Vision Board na, I
Ah,
had attend Deloitte interview. At
okay.
that time, my confidence like suddenly dragged, and after that,
Mm.
do after 1 week, like I didn't receive. Like I got a calls. I was
Mm.
getting calls from companies, but that time my confidence is low now, so I didn't receive calls also. And then after that, I
Okay.
joined Vision Board on a daily basis. I attended the mock interviews.
Mm-hmm.
and like that's the reason I got more confidence. And after that, I attend only 4 interviews, and then I
Okay.
cracked the.
You can, because when you attend, if you get a structured path, sometimes we just motivated, sometimes we just demotivated. But that's
Mhm.
why even the vision board, every mentors I'm asking to just follow up these people. They need your support. At least a word will be enough, right, Mayur? At least one word will be motivating us to attending the interviews when we demotivating. So when
Yes, yes.
I putting the screenshot in the Instagram or somewhere, people are telling, oh, like, and how it will be possible 200 percentage. But now you can see this is the proof actually. Mayur can able to achieve within 2 months 200 percentage. 4 years, obviously underpaid. So the right time
Mm.
will be coming. You can able to switch.
Yeah, like I also that time I also expected I don't have offer, and
Mm,
first offer I like they told me what is your expectation. Then I said 11 to 12 range.
mm.
Then they okay, okay, I will like give you the whatever you are expecting. Then I
Oh,
shocked first offer I got like almost 200% hike.
mm.
So these things
That is really good.
I never imagined
It will be happen because initially in my case also when I was getting the offer letter, same thing was happen because I was never the excitement when our offer letter was seeing right the 4 LPA to that kind of an like a higher package. The excitement
Mm,
is really high.
yes.
So how is your family also, Mayur? Like and when you sharing this kind of an happy news, what is their reaction?
Yeah, actually they also very happy, and
Okay.
like my relatives they don't know I have without offer I took a decision. When I
Uh-huh.
share my experience with them, they also shocked how is it
Oh,
possible when I
that is
show the
really good.
all offer letter and all those things, then that
Uh-huh.
time they realize okay, okay.
Okay. And Mayur, like, and one more thing, when the people are 2 months, it is enough actually for cracking the offer letter. Just want to
Mhm.
know how many hours you're dedicatedly preparing, and what are the steps you followed that time?
Actually, on a daily basis, as I said before, 4 to 5 hours. Okay, because uh, I have spare of time. I don't have a
Yes.
job that time, so I spend 4 to 5 hours. And
Mm-hmm.
whatever material you provided, like scenario-based questions on data breach or ADF part. So mostly I focus on that questions, and on daily basis repeatedly I practice that questions. Mostly I have given 4 interviews, so mostly that those people ask me questions are mostly on PySpark, Databricks,
Mm-hmm.
and on a SQL Windows functions, row number, tens ranks, and city, and also Spark optimization, Delta optimization techniques,
Mm-hmm.
and some
I think
scenarios
that we
questions, and means
already discussed, right? In
mhm,
the class, we already
all the
discussed
questions
those things.
I will also tell you guys only whatever they we provide the material now that this things is enough to crack any company's interview.
Exactly.
No need to
That is the
extra.
one.
Yeah.
Him only one thing I'm just telling. So Mayur is because compared to Mayur, he's putting a lot of effort in the learning path also, continuously
Mhm.
connecting with our team. That is also the part. Material and the people also need to at least 2 or 3 months of consistently preparing.
Yes.
Definitely they will be getting the offer letter. There's no
Yeah.
other, I would say, nothing will be there, just getting offer letters.
And practice
Yes.
the course
Mm.
because
That is
you try to give interviews. You can means repetitive questions you give 2, 3, 4 interviews. Na? That time you can realize okay. So then you need to prepare more and practice that coding questions whatever they will provided you. So that things is enough to crack.
that.
Yeah.
And Mayur, one more thing. Finally, who is preparing, right? I can feel felt like people are fear to attend the interview. So what motivation you can able to give them?
like I would like to say one thing only: believe on yourself. Because actually, as I said before, 9th of February, I had attended Deloitte interview, and after that, I didn't pick up in like interview calls I was getting. But then I realized I don't have choice. Then I joined Vision Board community, and whatever
Okay.
I got from Devi and all the technical stuff, I just practice and practice. Then
Oh,
finally I cleared
got
the
the
interview.
offer letter, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thanks, Mayo. Thanks for your like a time to spending with us because people need this kind of a podcast. They
Hmm.
want to need the people are transform how I transformed my life. Want to share this kind of a success stories. Now you also
And
tell like
I have already gap like 5 to 6 months gap,
yes. Even the gap also you can able
yeah,
to get like a
because when I got
200%.
screening calls that time they asked me like, what is your notice period? So I said, then you have a 5 to 6 months of gap. Then I
Mm-hmm.
justify all the things, and you share me that all the things. Then I will also give the reasons properly. Like
Yeah, that is really good.
because for me, na gap is like
Mm.
a big issue for me
Yes, yes, got it.
for scheduling interview because
Mm.
I got lots of screening calls I got, but only few calls are scheduled.
Mm. Mm. Got it. That is the reason, right?
Yeah, but
Mm.
otherwise, all like my preparations and all these things are good. So that's the reason within like fourth, like three interviews I have given, and fourth I have cleared. And for
Okay.
fractal analytics also I clear that,
Uh-huh.
but due to my own mistake, because I said ki I left my previous organization due to night shifts, and
Mm.
that's the reason I miss out that offer letter.
Uh-huh.
So
That is fine. But now it's like an at least staying for some more time, we can switch the company. That is also the part of the IT journey.
mhm.
But we need to be prepared more.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. Thanks, Mayur, for given the time also.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I'm expecting more of it in the coming years. So just settle once we settle down, we can see the next one also.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Devi.
Thanks. Thanks,
Yeah,
Mayur.
yeah.